Hello, this is Abby from ollyholly.com. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a magic circle. The magic circle is often used when you are crocheting in the round. With your left palm facing you, place the tail end of the yarn over your fingers. Place your thumb over the tail to hold it down. Take the working end of your yarn and wrap it around your index and middle fingers to form an X. Sandwich the working end between your middle and ring finger to secure. Turn your hand over and you will see two strands of yarn. With your hook facing down, insert your hook under the right strand and over the left strand. Pull the left strand through under the right strand and turn the hook up towards you. To make the next part easier, you can use your right index finger to hold the top of the loop on your hook so that it doesn't slip off. Insert your hook under the working end of the yarn and pull it through the loop that is currently on your hook. Remove your fingers from the circle. Pull on the working end of the yarn to tighten. You have just created a magic circle. Thank you for following along with this video. Please visit ollyholly.com for more crochet content and for free amigurumi patterns.